I was on TikTok for half an hour. I liked, I shared, and I commented only on the really brilliant stuff. Be it Quran recital, be it a good reminder, be it a good nasheed, be it some encouraging words, be it some empowerment, whatever it was, goodness, I did it. As a result of that, what happened? Yes, mashallah, people benefited and I earned my Jannah. On the day of judgment, every little deed will come and be put on the scale. And when your good deeds are heavier than the bad, you get Jannah. So you're using social media in order to earn Jannatul Firdaus. My brothers, my sisters, is that not a simple way of earning the pleasure of Allah? I'm talking of over and above your duties, your primary duties. Subhanallah. I'm not saying leave your salah and leave your zakah and leave your hajj and leave your fasting. No, we're talking about the way we use social media. I started off by saying we all have phones. We're all on social media, whether you like it or not. So why don't you convert your interactions into something that's going to take you to paradise? Why don't you convert your interactions into something that's going to be meaningful for you and everyone around you? Why don't you minimize your interactions with that which is harmful? But remember, don't ever let a good post pass without you liking, sharing, commenting. Whatever maximum you can do, do it. That might be your ticket to Jannah.